Hello friends, Dirk Klingman here with the Grand Junction Fire Department. Wanted to invite you to our open house at Station 4, that's 2884 B and 1/2 Road, this Wednesday, October 9th from 4 to 6 p.m. It's an open house at the fire station, complete with fire station tours, touch a truck on our fire apparatus, and in celebration of National Fire Prevention Week, we have gift bags for the families full of fire safety information, coloring sheets, stickers. We also have posters, and in partnership with the American Red Cross, our friends at St. Mary's Regional Hospital, and the Colorado Division of Fire Prevention and Control, we will have just heaps of personal and fire safety information to share with you, the opportunity to sign up for free fire alarm installations at your home, free bike helmets for the kids, and just all kinds of fire safety information. Again, that's going to be Wednesday, October 9th, this Wednesday, at Fire Station 4, 2884 B and 1/2 Road, from 4 to 6 p.m. I know I'll see you there.